Hey, boys and girls, here we are, day 14, November daily math. Let's keep rolling here. 8 dimes, that's 8 tens, right? So that would be 80 cents. Now, 8 dimes equals, and we want it to be equal, so 8 times equals how many quarters and how many dimes? Well, we could go 1 quarter, and then how many dimes? Well, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, or 85. So that's not going to work, is it? Because it has to be equal. So let's go 2 quarters. That would make 50 cents, right? So that'd be 50 cents, and then we count up to 80 cents by tens from 50 cents. So 50 cents, and then 60, 70, 80. So 3 dimes. So 8 dimes equals 2 quarters and 3 dimes. Awesome. Hey, part, whole. Told you before, beginning of the year, we're going to keep going part, whole all year long. Part, whole. All right, so 1 part is 27, 1 part is something, and the whole is 84. So if we are missing a part, we're going to have to subtract. So let's go 84 minus 27. Okay? And let's see. 4 minus 7. More on the floor. Okay, I heard some of you. Borrow from next door. Very good. And 14 minus 7, that's a fast double. 7 plus 7 is 14. And now we go over to the tens column. 7 minus 2. More on top, no need to stop. That's a fiver. 57. Good job. On the picture graph above, how many stickers are there in all? Write the equation and solve. Okay, well, Victor has 10. And Max has 25, 30. And Jerry has 20. And that equals 30, 12, 82, 9. So let's go. Double, 6, less than. Great job today.